Welcome to Social Proofy. I'm gonna show you how to set up Social Proofy on your WooCommerce website. First of all, create your free Social Proofy account on socialproofy.io. Install Social Proofy WordPress plugin. Add your website on Social Proofy. Now you can see your site and API keys on WooCommerce integration page. Add site and API keys from plugin settings. Then click I've done it button and activate the integration. Save the plugin settings. The last 30 orders and new orders will be added automatically. You are now ready to create the first widget and boost your sales. Click on New Notification and select the latest conversions widget. Add the values you want to show on the widget and save. You can set how many conversions you want to show and click the Update button. Change the widget status. That's it. If you are using a caching plugin, don't forget to clear your website's cache.